shorty the other day, I got her number, called her up, like, what you done? She say, nothing. I say, what's good? She say, not much. I say, guess what? She say, what's up? I say, I think we should hook up. She say, I say, what? She say, what? I say, what? Why you stuck? She say, fuck. I say, who? She say, not you. I said, then who? She say, you know. I know what? You know who? I say, I do. She say, you do. I say, I do, but I really don't, because it's you that I really want, and we can do what you really want. Girl, we grown, and if he ain't gon' treat you right, then I ain't gon' treat you wrong. That's my word. And she done heard so many lies, she don't know what's true or not. Shorty like a valet service, that's what she been through a lot. But I put her car in park, you never let her cry alone. I listen to her heartbeat because it plays my favorite song.